I'm trying to combine several wishes at once. I want to stand somewhere where it's not too cold. I want to go to McDonald's, which has just opened. And I want to go when there's a little bit less rain, which is in half an hour roughly. And while I pick the spot, you can see 4 people who've completely fallen asleep. It just breaks your heart. You see all these souls walk around. Many of them are getting ill physically, or just feeling totally lost and abandoned. And nobody seems to care about them. Nobody knows who they are. Many of them got lured here with promises of work, with associated accommodation, which got then turned into a nightmare, and they landed on the streets. And many are told that they are not entitled to help, while they actually often are entitled to support. Of course, again, I don't know the stories of these particular 4 people. But none of this should be happening, I feel. I'm not going to zoom in on them.